Alright, hello again. So in today's video we are attaching or installing the new stairway, and it's really heavy, so it weighs about 100 kilogram, so there's no way I could do that on my own. And unfortunately my partner had to leave early, so I had to remove the old one by myself, which was even heavier. So I figured a way to do it without just by myself, so you'll see how I did that. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so after many trial and errors for the marking, I tested the stringers and it fits perfectly. And tomorrow we're going to assemble the stairway and put it in place. It's ready to go. You're ready to install the stairway, so we remove the wall there to get enough space to push it in. And then put it up there. Let's do it. So today I'm plugging the old stairs well, I guess, and then I can finish taking down the old walls upstairs. Let's go up the new stairs. So smooth. There it is. So I'm going to use the plywood that I took from here to plug that hole there. I hope I don't have to remove the wall first. I don't know. I have to measure it. I haven't done that yet. But there it is. And then there's one support here that is rotten. I have to change that one, so I have an extra one over there. Perfect. So this is the new look. So you can see the stairs was there before, and there was a door going to the room there on the left, and there was a closet there. Actually two closets, one was full size and the other one was just under the stairs. And let's take a look. So this is the new stairs. So it's much less steep than before. And yeah, eventually I plan to open that wall to the kitchen. I have like old wooden lattice kind of windows that I'm going to put there. Be nice. And upstairs is finished. So in the last week I had to close this here. It's not finished, but because it's winter is coming, so there is cold air coming from there on this side as well, so now it's all closed. Alright, so this is the two bedrooms. One bedroom, the other bedroom, and this is the stairs. So I have to build a railing, and then when the railing is done, then we're going to use this door. Alright, looks much better. So yeah, the stairs used to be where the closet is, and this was a little hallway, and then the door was over there.